Alright, let's give these oil expanders 3-piece oil control rings on our 103.6 a go. You can see there's spring expander, ring expander, and 2 rails. Go ahead and put them on your piston. Spring goes in first. And make sure that the ends are butting up against each other, not overlapping. You can take one of your rails, drop it in below. You want the gap to be opposite the gap in the spring, so they're not overlapping. Take another one, get the gap opposite the first rail. Go ahead and run those guys down in there. That all feels good. Normally you'd oil it. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. You can go ahead and drop this guy down in here. It helps if you go a little bit sideways. Yes, I'm missing the first and second ring. This is just for a customer that's having difficulty with the oil expander. Here we go. Put it in slightly sideways. This particular one, we've got wings that match the wings here, so let's put the wrist pin aligned with that. Go ahead and run this guy down here. It's sticking out slightly. Put that in so it's aligned with the liner, and we should be able to drop the piston in there, and then you can feel the tension or the preload on the oil control ring. The ring expander is an expander, and it's a spring. It's designed for that reason, to hold tension on the rails, to hold them outward, to give a good oil scraping effect. There are high tension and low tension expanders. These are low tension. I've measured the tension before. I've put a pull gauge on it, or a scale on it, and measured the tension, and it's like 8 pounds, whereas the other ones were like 20. I may be way off in the numbers. It's been a while. But really, I mean, you can see what it takes to move these. So that's all there is to it. With the little spring, rail, expanding, or a ring compressor, sorry, putting that in the wrong way, ring compressor, drop it down in, align that guy, sorry, I didn't align that wrist pin, I guess it doesn't matter anyway, and then pistons installed, and there you go. And on these, you'll then put the wrist pin in, put it in the engine, connect the wrist pin to the connecting rod, and then feed it on. And you're good to go. Of course, first and second ring, lots of oil in the cylinder, lots of oil on the rings, and you're good to go.